Hi everyone, this is Mahesh here from Sarila Group. Today I'm talking more about my association with O Express and how I met O Express Chief Kailash Kapadia and the team members. We had a very good experience in the first visit. Let me first take you, how did I meet Mr. Kailash? Mr. Kailash Kapadia was referred through my friend, a family friend. We were actually planning to set up a hotel in Bangalore, India. So we had no idea about how to procure materials from China. Initially, it was difficult for us to think about, going to China for the first time and sourcing the hotel furnitures. It was a bit a dicey situation where we thought it is difficult to go to a different place and transfer money to unknown people. I had heard some challenges that we had heard from many of my colleagues and friends. So the first question I asked is, how genuine is the person? Then they told they had already bought some materials from China through Mr. Kailash, and they shared a very positive experience. So then I thought, okay, let us try out. Let us find out how we can do it. So first visit happened to China with my family and friends on November 2010. So this visit was basically to understand how the system in China works, how the trading works, and what kind of products we get from China and where we can source. Does it suit our Indian requirements? This was something which I wanted to probe. The first time when I went, I met Mr. Kailash Kapadia. He was very friendly, and it was very promising meet which I had with him. He delegated his colleague Sophie Chan, who has been a very good friend of mine from past 10 years for that matter. When I first met her, she was talking about China's culture and Indian people, how they come, they buy, they experience what other people from India went and had in China. So first day we visited ceramic market, then we visited the wooden flooring, the building construction material markets. It was a very good experience which I had, but still somewhere in my mind I was little suspicious that do I get the deliver what I select at the market, the same thing comes to my doorstep, was my question. That is when which I asked Mr. Kailash that how does it work, and do I get the same thing, or there's an issue with the quality, or will there be any changes in colors? There were general queries regularly what an architect and builder have. So what Mr. Kailash told is that you select, you buy things and leave rest to me. I will make sure that whatever you select reaches to your doorstep. Then I told, okay, let us try out. So initially we just bought some items worth around 5 million rupees, Indian rupees. We bought some basic materials required for construction, like wooden flooring, your lightings, and your bathroom fixtures. The first purchase was a good experience. We were very much comfortable. I was very much happy to see the product which I saw in China, the same coming to my doorstep. All that confidence which I had on Mr. Kailash reconfirmed, and I was very much happy. The kind of support I got from O Express. Then later, the second time I visited, after 3 months from the first day of visit, we did buy many furnitures and many hotel related equipments. Again there we had a challenge. We were not sure if we get the support of service and warranty issues. So we bought some devices which had warranty, which was only restricted to China. Then I asked Mr. Kailash that how can you replace this, how can you help me in getting a spare? He told, if you have any problem, just take a picture and send it across. I will ship the spare part of that. He was very proactive. He took it as an initiative on priority. He told to send me a picture. I took a picture and I sent it across. The same product came in just 4 days from the day I raised the ticket. This is the kind of support which I personally expect from a trader or an importing company anywhere, wherever we trade, because we are also importing products from Japan, Malaysia, Indonesia, China, and other Asian countries in and around India. But I am not so confident with other countries and the traders there. But Mr. Kailash makes sure that I'm very much comfortable. It's more like a family relationship that I have now with him. It's been more than 10 years I have met Mr. Kailash. It's the same thing the day one I saw. He's the same person even today. He's very promising every time I meet, and we have got all the support from Mr. Kailash. And when it comes to new products, he calls up and says, "This is a new product in the market. You want to try it out?" He always thinks as an owner or a friend and suggests and make sure that you are happy and you are getting the latest and updated products into market. That is something which I should appreciate Mr. Kailash. I know that he is also coming up with new products and new concepts of trading. We are happy that he is getting into new ventures. OA Express has been very successful. I also have referred many people in India. Many people have taken my reference and they have bought a good number of products from Mr. Kailash and his company. I appreciate the kind of efforts they have been having, and we are very much confident. All these 10 years have been a very good experience. China is like my second home for me personally, because it's not just a business. I have built up more friends in China, and he makes it more comfortable. That is what I want to say. China, it's like a different country. Language is a barrier. We don't see that. Sophie and her colleagues are also so confident and so helping that they help you in negotiation processes. Generally, language is a barrier when we go to different countries. So when you go to China, language is a major problem which generally we face. But Sophie and her team members, and Mr. Kailash personally, sometimes comes along with you. They will negotiate on behalf of you. They will help you out in trying to communicate what your concerns are, right from technicalities, or it might be price aspects, whatever it might be. So overall, it's a very positive experience that I have. I would definitely recommend OA Express and Mr. Kailash's Vsource company. Both are very promising companies. You should try it out soon. Thank you.